Hello everyone, good afternoon, good morning, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Ira, Chaitanya, Divyam, Skanda, very good afternoon, good evening. How are you all? Divyam, how are you? Ira, how are you? Chaitanya, Skanda, come on screen. Tell me, am I audible to you or not? No one is speaking.
Yes,
Skanda,
sir.
good.
Audible.
Very
You
good.
are-
So, do you remember what is today's plan? I told you yesterday. What is the focus for today? Tell me,
Yes.
Ira, what is the plan today? Ira said yes. Yes, Ira, what is the plan today?
Doubts.
Yes. What is the other thing? Kanda?
So, like from any chapter we did, like we can go more deeper into it, and we'll take 2 persons today.
Right. So every person, either you can ask your doubt or you can tell me some particular topic. You can ask me to go more deep so I can explain you that topic more in example. Okay. As usual, we start with the lady. Ira, are you ready? So either you ask me doubt or you tell me, sir, in this topic, please give me more examples. We can do more deep. Tell me.
Right now, I don't have. I'll do in next class.
You don't have any doubt. Any particular
Right
topic you want me to go more deep? No. No. So Ira, come prepared. Next class, come with as many doubts as you want and come prepared with as many topics you want. Okay. Next is Divyam. Divyam, do you want to ask me any doubt today, or do you want me to cover any particular topic more deep? Tell me. One more.
A
Tell me,
method.
what is Ira doing like this? Ira is telling me something. Yes, tell me, Ira. Divyam, come back to Divyam. 1 second. Yes, Ira.
I don't know how to add, subtract integers.
How to add, subtract integers. I'll explain. Okay, Ira. So first, let me do with
No,
Divyam.
and also that one which has 1 plus and 1 minus.
We'll do that. Okay. We'll do it today. Very good. So Divyam, tell me what do you want today? First, we'll do with Divyam, then Ira, then Skanda, then Chaitanya. Tell me, Divyam.
A method.
Method for which topic?
For the
You need time to think or
for the decimal.
decimals
division.
or decimal divisions? Okay.
Yeah.
So we are going to do decimal division also. We'll do integer addition subtraction with negative positive. We are also going to do decimal divisions. Anybody else? Anything? Skanda, what do you want?
So I want to go more deeper in the graphs.
In the graphs, more deeper. Okay. Chaitanya, what do you want?
Sir, gaps, bar, and like some decimals.
Okay. Perfect. So today's plan is very simple. First, we start with integers and all things. Then we'll talk about decimal division and all things. And lastly, we'll talk about graphs and all. We'll cover all of you. Okay. Cool. This is what the plan all of you wanted that. Let's start first with integers. As we know, integer is nothing but negative and positive whole numbers. The full numbers, but in negative and positive form. Integers. When you say positive, any number, right? All integers. We'll talk about negative, any number in negative. All are integers. And 0. So any negative number in full, any positive number in full, and 0, they are all known as integers. Though I wrote the spelling wrong. Correct? Now how to add and subtract integers. I always follow one simple rule. Okay? And Ira, this is especially for you, but for others also. The rule I follow is 3-step method. Step 1 I do is, if both numbers are of same sign, what I do, I add them. Step 2, if both numbers, and we're going to do a lot of examples, Ira, till you feel 100% okay. We are going to do as many examples till you say, sir, enough, I know it, okay? There's the rule. So, if both numbers are of opposite sign, subtract them. That is the rule I follow. That is the standard rule you can use anywhere. And the last step is, in answer, put sign of bigger number. Okay, that is the rule I follow, and we will going to use this rule for any question you want. Okay. So, Ira, first I'm going to give you 3 or 4 examples of my side. Then you can tell me any number from anything. Cool. And this is for everyone, guys. Though I'm telling Ira, but it's for everyone. For example, if Ira says, sir, how much is 4 minus 7? So, step 1, both number of same sign. Ira, are both number of same sign? How the sign we decide? The 4, what is before the 4? Nothing, means positive. What is sign before 7? Negative. So 4 is positive, 7 is negative. That is the way we check the signs. So Ira, tell me, are 4 and 7 same sign or opposite sign?
Opposite sign.
Opposite sign. So step 1 doesn't apply. Step 2 applies. Both numbers are opposite sides, subtract them. So what is the difference of 4 and 7? 3.
3.
So second step says subtract, we got 3. So step 3 says we got the answer as 3. Put sign of bigger number. Which is bigger, 7 or 4, Ira?
7.
What is the sign of 7?
Minus.
So answer should be negative. So answer is negative.
No, I get big questions like 2, 3, positive 23, minus.
We will do it. It's all same, Ira. Everything is same. Let's do one more example. Negative 11, negative 6. Ira, step number 1. Are both the numbers same sign or opposite sign?
Same sign.
Are you going to add or subtract?
Add.
Add. 11 plus 6 is 70. Now, third step says, if in the answer put the sign of bigger number. What is the sign of bigger number?
They both are same, so we can add minus. So negative.
Either way. Even if I say minus 45 plus 52, Ira, same sign or opposite sign?
Opposite sign.
Are you going to add or subtract?
Subtract.
So what is the difference of 45 and 52? 7. Sign will be of bigger number. 52 is a bigger number, correct, Ira? So answer is positive 7. So now you tell me any number, we'll do it, and then we are going to do the others also. Tell me any number for integer operation, addition, subtraction.
No, sir, like that one which have circle ones, which have circles and you have to solve like that.
You are saying with the board mass.
No, not board mass.
I'll tell you that everything is same, Ira, but the method. See, suppose somebody say 4 plus minus 3 minus 2 plus minus 7. Correct, Ira?
Yes.
You are saying like this?
No, like
Because all this also is same here. You can show me what you want, etc. So Divyam, Chaitanya and Skanda, you understood how to do this?
Yes, sir.
So how we solve this question which I put on the board is, first you remove the bracket, 4 as it is, plus multiply with minus is minus, so 4 minus 3. Then minus 2 is there. And you open the bracket, plus multiply with minus is minus. So my question becomes this now, right, Skanda?
Yeah.
Now what is 4 minus 3?
So 1.
So 4 minus 3 becomes 1. What is 1 minus 2? 1 second, Ira. Let me complete. 1 minus 2?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. And what is minus 1 and minus 7?
Minus 8.
That is how it is a very question, right? Got it, Divyam, Chaitanya, Ira? We'll come to your question, Ira, but this is clear, right?
Yeah.
Tell me your
So
question now.
they're like these circles, and there's like -4 plus 3. So you have to like fill in plus minus in these circles.
Wait,
Like
wait.
that.
Let me check what I'm not able to see clearly. Show me. It says 0, 0, 0, 0.
No, it's circles.
Circles are there.
Yeah, so you have to fill in plus minus like that. Like there's 4, no, -4 plus 52 and like 3 or something.
I understood what you're saying. What you're saying is same question, but in a circle form. Suppose if I write like much like that. Okay, maybe you are saying like that. Suppose if I put Sarah, this is just a different way of asking the same question. Okay, and suppose somebody says here, say, let's put one circle here also. Okay, Anna? And suppose somebody said suppose here is plus, here is minus 5.
No, sir, that.
Then what?
Like,
The circle is just a representation of numbers, right? What you showed me only circles, not the numbers, right?
no, like, you have 4 plus 5. I mean, -4 plus 5. So you have,
Your question is -4 plus 5. Then
so you have a lot of circles like that.
No, Ira, that is like you are maybe seeing the solution somewhere and seeing how they're explaining, is it? Yes.
No, like there are these many circles and you have to fill plus, minus, plus.
Can you, where do you see the question? Because you are missing some part. Maybe they are saying, okay, some question will be there, they are saying, can you show me? Because what you're asking is the representation of those integers.
One.
Please get it, yes. So others, how you do this? -4 plus 5. Divyam, what is -4 plus 5?
-4 plus 5.
They are of opposite sign. You're going to subtract. 5 and 4 subtraction is 1, correct? Which number is bigger?
5.
What is its sign? Positive. So answer will be +1. That's it. Correct? Tell me, Chaitanya, if I say 7 minus 10 plus 5, what will you do, Chaitanya?
Sir, so first we, sir, the negative is, so first we minus the 10 minus 7, which is 3.
Correct. Because 7 minus 10, because 1 is positive, 1 is negative, you make it 3 and with negative. So my question becomes this now, Chaitanya, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is -3 plus 5?
-3 plus 5 is +8.
+2. No, they are opposite sign, right? You'll subtract them. The opposite sign, -3 and +5. So you'll subtract 5 and 3 to find out the positive number. Correct?
Okay, sir.
So Ira is showing me something now. Yes, Ira. I was telling you, right, Ira? It is just the method you are showing me. Show me again.
No,
Ira, just the method. They are showing me the balls. Ira, what they are doing? They are just showing the balls. You are doing better than that. They are showing 5 balls and 2 balls. 5 plus 2, 7. That is very childish, man. You know better than that.
no, it's not that.
It's that.
Like there are a lot of zeros and you have to fill it plus, minus and inside them, not the numbers.
No. Can you take a photo and send me now on this from your mobile? So I can read that on this page. Because I'm still thinking it's just the zero they are showing with the number.
Number.
No problem. So let her take a photo and send me. Let's see it. So you understood Skanda and Chaitanya what we did last time? It was, suppose if I say 3 minus 7 plus 2. How will you solve it? Who will try this?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I think the first is Sir, there is different sign, so there is minus, so the -3.
Because 3 and 7 are different sign, opposite. To subtract 3 and 7. What is the difference of 3 and 7? 4.
Yes, sir.
But who is bigger? 7 is bigger.
7.
7 is negative, so answer is -4. So answer of this 2 is -4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is remaining now? Plus.
Sir, -4 plus 2. So the answer.
Again, I don't want answer, Chaitanya. I want the method. -4 plus 2 is, they are same sign or opposite?
Sir, opposite.
So opposite we always subtract. So what is 4 minus 2? 2.
So -2.
Who is bigger?
Sir, 4.
So sign of 4 is
So
negative.
9.
So answer will be negative. That's why by rule 3, right? -2 is the answer. Good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, can you also told the ratio, proportion and percentage?
Ratio proportion. That we can do next week. Yes. We'll try first 3 things to be talked today, and ratio proportion can do next week. So tell me, Divyam, if I say 5 minus 7 plus 4, what will Divyam do?
So, first I'll see if they're opposite.
5 and -7 are opposite sign, correct?
Yep.
So 5 and
And
negative
then,
opposite sign means you will subtract or add? This 2, you will subtract or add? See my 3 rules. Same sign, add, opposite sign, subtract. My rule, right? So opposite sign means subtract. What is the difference of 5 and 7? 2.
Yeah.
What is 7 minus 5? 2, right?
Yeah.
So which sign you will put? Sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is negative, so negative. So answer for 5 minus 7 is -2. What is remaining now? +4. So my question becomes now -2 plus 4, right, Divyam?
Yep.
No, they are still opposite sign. So are you going to add or subtract?
And add.
Opposite sign, subtract, same sign, add. I clearly say again. Same sign, add, opposite sign, subtract. You subtract 4 with 2, so you get 2. Who is bigger?
4.
4 is
and
positive.
the-
So answer is
Yeah,
+2.
and-
So just 2. Right? Agree, Divyam? Skanda, 100% okay? Correct?
Can I do one more question?
Yes, we'll do one more question and then we'll see what Ira has said, okay? So we'll do one more question with Divyam because I want all of you to feel very confident. So Divyam, the rule is that same sign, add. Opposite sign, subtract. Okay, don't forget that. Write down in your book. Okay? So Divyam, if the question is like this, 10 minus 12 minus 4. What will Divyam do first? Divyam will first try to solve this 2. Tell me.
So,
Same or
wait,
opposite?
opposite and which one's negative?
See, 10 is positive, 12 is negative, 4 is negative. Because see the sign before the number. With this no sign means positive. No sign
So
means positive.
we're gonna take away the difference.
Take away. So difference of 10 and 12 is 2.
Yeah.
So this 2 will be positive or negative?
Negative.
Because 12 is negative, which is bigger. So -2 is the answer of 10 and 12. So now my question
And then-
becomes this or not?
Yeah, and then the difference is 2, so it'll become 2.
No. Are they same sign or opposite side? You're forgetting this. Are they same sign or opposite sign?
Same.
So same sign, what do you do?
Add. So
Add 2 and 4. 6.
6.
Bigger number is negative, so the answer is negative. That's the rule. First decide add or subtract, and finally decide the positive negative. That's it. Divya, one more, okay? Because I want you to feel confident. Divya, only follow the rule I mentioned here. 5 minus 11 plus 3. First, Divyam will try only this two.
The difference is 6, so you put a -6
Correct.
and negative.
Now the quotient becomes -6 plus 3. Now what? Are they same sign or opposite?
Opposite,
So again subtract.
and yeah, and it becomes -3 because
That's
6
it.
is
That
bigger.
is it. That is it. You can do any question with this rule. Same sign, add, opposite sign, subtract. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Ira, are you there?
Yes, 1 minute I'm done.
This is what Ira had sent me. Okay, Ira?
Yeah.
See, I was telling you, right, Ira? This is the method they explain.
No, you had written numbers inside. They have like the red is
कहाँ पे number लिखा है अंदर बताओ मुझे.
Sir, you had made 2 circles and written number inside.
4, 4. Wait. Come on screen first. Come on screen.
Once, yes.
So one way is either you do this is a childish way, or you do the way I am telling you, which you can do higher question also. Read question number 15.
Yeah.
What is question number 15? Subtract
Subtract
minus
3.
3, not 3, minus 3
-3
from
minus 9.
minus 9. Now I'll tell you how to do it. Forget the circles and all. Question is like this. Okay. That's why I'm explaining you how it works. Okay. Question is subtract. This is interesting. So that's why we have to do subtract minus 3 from minus 9. That was the question. Let me check again. Correct. Agree with that, Ira? That was the question?
Yeah.
Everything else is the solution, right?
Yeah.
Will do. So where to subtract? Before we do this, if I ask you one question like this, subtract 2 from 5, what will you answer?
3.
Correct. And if I say subtract 5 from 2, what will you answer?
3.
No. You are subtracting 5 from 2 means you subtracting bigger number from smaller. Okay. So it's ulta, right? You have to subtract 5 from 2. So the way you will write this question is, what you have to subtract this way? Subtract this one from this one, correct? The question is like -9, and from that you subtract -3. Yes or no? That is the question or not?
Yeah.
Because you are saying subtract the first number from the second. So -9 minus -3. That is the question, right?
Yeah.
No, when you say bracket is there, if minus and minus, it becomes plus. So let me write the question in a proper form. So subtract -3 from -9 means -9. Or let me write like this. Minus, that is how you have to do. That is the question, agree?
Yeah.
Now we open the bracket. There is nothing before the bracket, so -9. I am not subtracting yet. I am only opening the bracket. So what is after before the bracket? Minus. Inside the bracket?
Minus.
The rule is it's a multiplication rule. Minus multiply with minus is always plus. You know the rule or not? 4 rules. Plus
Yes.
with plus, minus with plus. So when you multiply minus with minus become plus. So that is the question now. So -9 plus 3, apply the my rule. How you do this? Are both same sign or opposite sign?
Opposite.
So I'm going to add or subtract?
Subtract.
Subtract. What is the difference of 9 and 3?
6.
Who is the bigger number?
9.
So negative. Check your book. It should be negative 6 answer, right?
1 minute.
Do nothing else. It has to be negative 6 is the answer. We'll do 2 more question like this. Okay, everyone?
No, but I'm not able to understand the meaning of these circles and the cutting they have
I'm
done.
telling you, Ira, there are 2 things now. Do you want to understand the method which book used, or do you want to solve the question? Because you are trying to understand how they have done, right?
No, because in exam they tell you the method you have to use in some questions.
No, that is very bad. Tell your teacher to call me. No, I'll tell you. Ask your parent to tell me. I'll call the teacher. No teacher can tell you which method to use. That is very bad way of teaching.
Because there are like
Listen, Ira, listen, please. If any teacher start telling use this method, then it's wrong. It is left to student to try which method they want and solve it perfectly. Don't tell me that teacher is saying use this method only. No.
No, we can like
Tell me.
they teach us two methods. So like
See,
they
whatever
know-
method they teach, it's on you, Ira. It's on you. You should apply whichever method you feel better. Okay.
Mhm.
No teacher can guide in any school and college. You only use this method. That is like you are stopping a child to learn their own things, right?
Yes.
So, is asking your objective to solve this question or objective is to understand which method they use.
They are like to understand what method to use.
But that is not. See, that ball method is very, very old and very childish method. I can explain you that. That I don't
Yeah.
like that method. It's a very childish method.
I never learned that before. I'm learning this the first.
Why
I
you have to
don't.
learn that? I told you one method. From there, you can solve any question for next 20 years for your life. Any question. Forget the balls method. But if you want, I can explain. But unnecessarily, you will all be confused. They are making red and blue and wall because red is negative, blue is. But that is too confusing, right?
Yes.
Question is subtract this from this. Always apply. We can do any question like that. Forget the ball. Just I'm asking you. Your objective to understand that method, specific method from book, or you want to understand how to subtract. Decide. I'll explain whichever you want.
I want to learn both of the methods.
Okay,
Right.
you want to learn both of the methods, but then you have to use only one method what you want, right?
Yeah.
Agree?
Yeah.
So, see what method they used. They said subtract -3 from -9, correct?
Yes.
Let's say red ball means negative. I'll know it, okay? And let's say blue ball means positive, okay? So again, not your book, but generally, let's say red ball, which I'm making now. Let's say this is my red ball, which is negative. This is red ball,
Yes.
and this is blue ball, which is positive. Now, first of all, what you will do? Subtract -3 from -9. So, you have to subtract this from this. So, first you always make this number. How many balls will make of negative? 9
Nine.
balls. So, what Ira is doing is, Ira is making 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just putting it in order. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct?
Yes.
So, you win. So, this is done. From that, subtract. Subtract means get away, or you can say take away, right? That is how Divyam says, right? He take away. So take away what? -3 means again the red balls. How many balls take away? 1, 2, 3. How many balls are remaining now? Count.
6.
6. Which balls are they?
Negative.
Red. That's it. So the problem with this method is, like, when it become one positive, one negative, then you use one blue ball, one red ball, that become too confusing. This time both were red, so it's easy. Correct? This is the
Yes.
method. Tomorrow, if I change this question and say, this method is not easy, not difficult in this question because it was very easy. Suppose, Ira, if I change this question now, subtract -5 from -4. What
Can
is
you show it is one is negative and one is positive? That one is the main I'm not understanding.
that is the problem because then you do different problem. But still, before that problem, how you do this one now?
Subtract.
So what? So first you'll put what? What you'll put first?
It-
4 red balls. Correct?
Right.
So you put 4 red balls. 1, 2,
You
3,
shouldn't
4.
first put the 5 balls.
No, subtract this from this. See, you are subtracting first number from second. So you need second thing first, right? Then only you can subtract, right?
Yes.
Because it is not saying subtract -4 from -5. So first you need something to subtract from, right? You need something first, right or not? If you don't have anything, how you subtract that? No, right?
Yes.
What happens is, so you put -4 by 4 red balls. So how much you have to subtract? 5 red balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. One ball is missing. We need one more extra ball, which is not there. So one extra ball comes, which is blue now. But problem is you will forget, and everybody will forget when to put blue, when to put red, and that's why I don't prefer it. Because one less was there, right? So negative becomes positive. So final answer is +1.
Okay.
Got it?
Most
My sincere advice,
Will be-
my sincere advice, don't follow this ball method. You know why? It will be very slow, very confusing. It will take a lot of time for you to draw the ball itself, right?
Yeah. No, they
What-
all have drawn it. We just have to plus minus it. That's
No, but in exam, in school or exam where they'll just give questions after this from this. You draw the balls, right?
yeah.
Correct? And as you go little higher class era, this method will be useless, right?
Yes.
Tell me, for example, when you go to grade 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if I ask you, Ira, subtract, I'll give you a simple example. They will say, "Haan, sir." I'll simply ask you this question, okay? Tell me, if I say subtract negative this from negative, tell me what you'll do now. You'll make balls. It
No.
will take whole 2, 3, 4 hours, 6 hours, right?
Yeah.
That's the problem. That is the method used for very small kid to just get feel of the negative one. But you already know. I know you already know a lot of maths. I saw that. No, because that ball method anyway will be useless after once you go a little more grow up. That is used. Okay.
Yeah.
Correct. So tomorrow, if somebody says me, do this. Believe me, if somebody says this, somebody says to me this now, I'll tell you how easy it is. What I'm telling you. I can solve in a 5 second. I can solve the whole this big question. -3, -5, negative +3. All can be done very fast. -3, -5, +3, -7. Gone. 7, 5, -12 is the answer. How much time it took? No balls, nothing. Such a big. This question is 4 times bigger than what we done, right?
Yeah.
-12. So my sincere advice for every one of you. That is just to like usually we explain people write numbers and counting, right? That is how they explain the balls. Okay. Understood, Ira?
Yeah.
Because see, your objective is not to just learn this ball. Your objective is to learn how to subtract and add any number in the world, right?
Yeah.
Your focus should be there. If your teacher still insists, please ask them to politely, sir, can you talk? Because I can give a good lesson to them. Keep what is the objective, okay? That is not the way to teach, okay? No, so let's learn, Ira. But you know this, how to do all this? -3. If I tell
Yes.
you subtract -3 from 8, you know how to do it?
Yeah.
First you'll write 8, then subtract means this, and the number -3. So first number from 8 is subtract. No, you have to remove the bracket. 8, negative and negative become positive in multiplication. The answer is?
So what if it's like minus -5?
So we'll do that.
No.
Before you ask me
No.
question, wait a minute. What I want to tell everyone, rules of multiplication. It is plus times plus. What do you get? Plus, correct? Two positive number you multiply, you get positive. Two negative number, you multiply. And I'll give you a chance to ask me what question you ask me, okay? You multiply two negative number, you get positive. But if you multiply one positive and one negative, you get negative. There's one negative, one positive. So again, the rule is same. If you multiply same sign number, positive is the answer. If you multiply opposite sign answer, negative answer. There is a basic rule of multiplication. Now you ask me your question, we'll apply the rules. Tell me.
Like, what if it's bracket -9 and without bracket +4?
Correct? First of all, what I will do, I will remove the bracket. There is nothing before the bracket, so bracket directly go. This
Will
is
it be the same thing, or it's we have to add brackets or something?
no, you have to always remove the brackets.
This is the
Question
same.
is question is about the question is like this, right?
Yeah.
First, Ira will get rid of the bracket. You will remove the bracket. You remove the bracket because nothing. But Ira, suppose the question was like that. I'll give you one more question here. If suppose the question was like this, correct? You still remove the bracket, but here you can remove, how you remove bracket? Negative, and negative becomes what?
Positive.
So it becomes plus 9 plus. So now the question. You will solve question only when the brackets are gone, not before that.
Okay.
So in the top question, what is the answer in the top one? Minus 9 plus 4. They are opposite sign.
Yeah.
You're going to subtract. Understood the rule? Same
Yeah.
sign add, opposite sign subtract. So what is subtraction of 9 and 4?
What?
You wrote my 3 rules or not?
Yeah.
Same sign add, opposite sign subtract.
Yeah.
Subtract 9 and 4, how much you'll get?
5.
5. Finally, sign will be of bigger number.
So it will be minus.
That's it. What will answer in the next question?
After you change the sign, so the answer will be the last one only, or it will be the sign you change.
Answer will be the last one after you put the sign.
Okay.
Here, what will be the answer?
Minus 5.
No, both 9 and 4 are. No, next one. I'm saying this one, bottom one.
Oh, plus 5.
Why? Both are same sign. You're going to add them.
Oh, yes.
So, Ira, again, I'm writing for everyone, guys, because a lot of people get confused. You are still in smaller class, but a lot of people get confused in higher class also. Please, Ira, note down the rule. If same sign, add. Write down, everybody, Divyam. If opposite sign, please write down this rule because that is what is important. Finally, put sign of bigger number in answer. That is what you have to do, nothing else, Ira, okay?
1
All-
minute.
Please write down this. Everyone is going to do 2-3 questions more on this because I want everyone to be super solid here.
Written.
So, Ira, let's do one question with me with full conviction. If I say minus 7 minus minus 2, very interesting question. First is remove the brackets.
Yes, so it will be without bracket minus 7, minus without bracket minus 2.
So, what is minus and minus becomes?
Oh, plus.
So, this is the question now.
So, like, we'll add them and 2 will also become positive.
That is the point. Minus the bracket means multiply. Bracket means multiply. Okay. So, Ira, what is happening is this negative is multiplying with negative. So, negative times negative is positive. That's why it becomes positive. That's it.
2 is also positive and we'll add them.
2 is a positive now. Not also, only 2 is positive. 7 is still negative, right?
Yeah.
So 7 is negative and 2 is positive. See, I'm not solving it yet. I'm only removing the bracket. So are you clear about removing the bracket? In removing the bracket, you're not adding subtracting. You're only removing the bracket. So minus 7, there is nothing before minus 7. So minus 7 remain as it is. There is negative before minus 2. So minus and minus become positive.
So now
this
the
step clear? No, I'll tell
Yeah.
you what. This step is clear. Now what you will do?
we'll
Both
add
are of same sign. Both are same sign or opposite sign.
opposite.
So what are you going to do in opposite?
We're going to subtract
So what is subtraction of 7 and 2?
5.
And finally put the sign. This is the answer, right? The answer
Yes,
will be
sir.
positive, negative will decide upon the bigger number.
Negative.
That's it.
Okay.
So Ira, can you do one question yourself and tell me? Everybody will try this question yourself and tell me. Minus 10 minus minus 4. Everybody do this question in the notebook and tell me the answer. Skanda, Divyam, Chaitanya, very important, okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, first you solve this question, Chaitanya.
Okay, sir.
First thing is remove the brackets, guys. Remove the brackets. the brackets. Check
Sir,
before the
9, 8, 7.
Sir, I found the answer.
good. Write down on chat. Ira done. Divyam done. So what will first step, guys? Remove the bracket. Is there any number or sign before the bracket? No. So negative remain as it is. Next, is there a sign before the negative 4? Yes. Negative become plus 4. Ira, this is correct first step.
What's it?
First step is correct, right?
Yes.
Now, we'll apply our rule. Negative 10 is negative, positive 4 is positive. Opposite side subtract. 10 and 4, difference is 6. Last rule is, who is bigger? 10 is bigger. 10 is negative. Minus 6 is final answer. Tell me how many got it correct.
I did it 4 steps.
Okay. You can do directly.
Plus 10, I mean minus 10 and plus 4, I wrote minus 10 and minus 4. So that is
No,
also,
minus 10, minus 4 is not required. Minus 10 plus 4. There is no minus 10, minus 4. No.
it's only these 3 steps.
Because minus become plus, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. Good, Chaitanya. Good, Skanda. I also got minus 6. Good. Let's try one last question on this, okay? 11 minus 3 minus 7. Try. First, remove the brackets. Try everyone, because this all of you will need this. Chetan, you can ask me a doubt after this, okay? Done. So first,
Is
we'll
the
remove
11?
Sorry?
Is the 11 positive?
Yes, because there is no sign, Divya means positive. Yes. Correct, Divya. So when you remove the bracket, it becomes 11 minus 3 minus and minus plus. This is the quotient become after first step. Everybody agree? After the first step, the quotient become 11 minus 3 plus 7. Ira, agree or not? Now we'll do 2 together. What is 11 minus 3? Everybody knows.
8.
8. So my quotient become 8 plus 7. And what's the final answer?
15.
That's it. It's just 15. There's nothing else. Got everybody? Ira, you got it correct? Divya?
Yes.
Simple
So,
rule.
did
Yes,
you
please.
get my message right now?
I didn't got your message. I got your message. Yes. No, I got it. Yes. Good.
Slow.
Let's try one last question. Minus 5, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. Sorry, but let's try. Who does it? Ira, see, such a big question. What you should do? Try 2 numbers at a time. First, try answer for this. So, how much is minus 5, minus 2, guys? Minus
Sir,
5,
minus
minus 2 is
7.
how much?
Minus 3.
Is it minus 3? Is it positive 3? Is it minus 7? Positive 7? What do you think minus 5, minus 2 means?
Sir, minus 7.
Correct. Why, Chaitanya?
Sir, because minus and minus are same sign.
Same sign, you add them. 5 and 2 become 7. 5 is negative, so answer is negative. So my question becomes this now, everybody. Agree or not,
Yes.
Divyam? After first step, this is the question now. Tell me,
Yes.
Divyam, what will be the next? Minus 7, minus 3 is how much, Divyam? Negative 7 and negative 3.
Negative 3. Not 7 minus negative 3 would be 4.
No, both are negative and negative. Both
Well-
are same sign or opposite.
Yes, so 10. So 10.
So it will be 10. But negative 10 because 7 is negative. Ira, what is the final answer?
11.
Is it 11?
No, there is minus and minus.
Ah,
So it will be minus 11.
correct. That's it. See how easy we have done, right, Chaitanya, Skanda? Ira? Askada got it or not? Good, Ira, confident?
Yeah.
So what you do, Ira, and everyone is do lot of questions like this of your own. Write any random number and send me. I can help you to check whether it's correct or not. Okay? Chalo.
Make our own questions and send.
Yeah, that's the best way. Make up any question. This plus this minus this, anything randomly, like anything like this. Make anything, and then try and solve. Everybody try 10 questions you each, and send me on the WhatsApp. I'll check for you. Okay? Hello. Chaitanya, you have doubt something?
Yes, sir.
Ask me.
Sir, when you're creating the curiosity of Ira, you say that minus, minus, but there is minus, but you minus. So, but there is plus.
I am saying when minus and minus multiplied, it become plus.
Sir, but you minus and minus, you minus it.
No. I never. No, I didn't get you. Maybe you missed. But you understood the concept, right?
Yes, sir.
There's no difference. Fine. This is our integers. What else you to ask me to do it today? Decimal division, right? Decimal divisions are very easy. For example, 23 divided by 2. Divyam, this is for you. Okay? 23 divided by 2. What will Divyam do? Divyam will write 23 inside, correct?
Correct, sir.
2 outside. Correct, Divyam? Now let's start. First, 2 divided by 2. How much is the quotient? 1 is the quotient. 0 is the remainder. Agree, Divyam? 2 divided by 2. 3 comes down. 3 divided by 2. 1 is the quotient. 1 is the remainder. Now you finish this, but still your 1 is the remainder. Now, as I said, the rule. First time you are putting 0 from your pocket. First time you are going to put decimal point in the answer. So Divyam, now what is 10 divided by 2? 5 with 0 remainder. You will say, sir, my answer is 11.5. That is the method to decimal divide.
But like how you put it in the assignments, it was like a bit hard to read.
I know. I give very hard question also, easy also, difficult also. But let's pick any question from your assignment if you want, or any random question. We'll do it. Divya. One more question. Take any question from anywhere. We'll divide.
Question, sir.
1 second, Skanda. So Divya, tell me any question from assignment or your own to divide. We'll do it. Find out, Divya.
There was one question like that was really long.
That's fine. We can do that. But in general, you understand or not this?
Yeah.
So do you want to check that question? Tell me. Or shall I open the one?
Let me check the question.
If you find, otherwise I'll tell you. Skanda, you ask what you're asking.
Sir, 243 divided by 269.
So what is usefulness? You know 269 table? We'll do it. What is the usefulness of this? We can do that. It's a 269 table. That's it. So you want to know the method, or you just asking because it's a big number? 269 table, you know? Let's do that.
Yeah, no, sir. I don't know.
We need 269 table here, right? If the divisor is very big, we need a table for that, right? So make the table 269, do the same way. There's no difference in this question, right, Skanda?
That will be 338. 338.
What?
269 into 2, it will be
538.
538. Okay. 1, 7, 7.
The table will go like this, but it will be very big table. Like this. I can write the table fatafat for you. Okay? But Skanda is the same method. Yes, tell me your question.
The question was 400407009. Divide by 20.
This is the question. See the question I wrote correctly, 400, 400, 709 or something. Check again.
Huh?
Just check I wrote the question correctly or not. 400, again 400, is it? Read again.
It's 400407009.
Like this.
Yeah.
We'll do it. We'll do it, Divyam, for you, okay? Guys, see how to do this question. This is a very big question, but not difficult. Let's write 4004040. Good, you asked this, Divyam. 70. Agree? Let's write 20 here. 20 is by divisor. It means you have to start dividing numbers with 40. 20. We cannot divide 4, we start with 40. What is 40 divided by 20?
40 divided by 20 is
2.
Yeah.
Remainder is 0. This 0 comes down now. This 0 comes down now. 0 and 0. Nothing times 0. So again 0 remains. Who comes down? This 4 comes. This is a very hard question. Again we cannot divide. Put 0. Now this 0 comes down. 40 divided by, when you cannot divide, put 0 at the top. What is 40 divided by 20?
2.
With remainder?
0.
Who comes down now?
7.
Can you divide 7 with 20? No.
No.
Put 0. Who comes down?
0.
70. What is 70 divided by 20? 3. 20, 40, 60, right? So 20, 40, 60, 60. So 10 remainder. Agree or not till now? 70 divided by 20 is 3 quotient, 10 remainder. Who comes down now? This is 0. 100 divided by 20.
10.
5. 100 divided by 20 is 5. Remainder is 0. Good. Who comes down? 9 comes
9.
down. Can you divide 9 with 20? No. Put 0.
No.
We have finished all the numbers now. Put 0
And,
from your pocket. 0 from Divyam's pocket. So put the decimal point. 90 divided by 20. 4. 20, 40, 60, 80, right? So 10 remainder. Put one more 0 to complete it. 100 divided by 20 is 1. That's it. That is the method. Okay, everyone. This was the hardest question. I know it.
And then there's one more. There's one more question.
That's fine. But you understood this or not? So this was one of the hardest questions, Divyam. Clear? Ask me one more question.
50 divided by 0.007.
50 divided by 0.007. Correct? And I know this is a hard question. I intentionally gave hard question because different levels are there, right? So, no problem is there's a decimal in the denominator. Correct? So what we'll do, Divyam, is we'll remove the decimal. How many numbers are there after decimal?
3.
So you are going to put 3 extra zeros on the top. 1, 2, 3. And you remove this decimal. 007 becomes 7, correct? Now the question becomes there. Now can you solve now or not? This is the same question. So remove decimal and put 3 zeros on the top. Question becomes 50,000 by 7. Both are same. That's it. Okay? For example, Divyam, if the question is 4.23 by 1.12, what will Divyam do? Okay. I'll not say, I'll say 45. So how many numbers are after decimal?
12.
Now, how many numbers? 2. Put 2 zeros and remove the decimal. Question becomes 450 by 112. No, you can do it. Okay. Similarly, Ira, tell me if the question is 75 divided by 0.04. How we remove the decimal and make this question better?
we will put this
So how many numbers are there after decimal in the denominator?
2.
You're going to add 2 zeros on the top. So 75 already there, right?
Yeah.
Put 2 more zeros. And now the decimal goes from here. What number remains? 4. So the question becomes 750 by 4 and we can divide easily. Cool? So
Yeah.
graphs we do next time, guys, because we have done a lot of algebra and integer operation division, but we can do more division. Tell me, because I want division, everyone should be very strong. Any more questions you want me to ask for division, guys?
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Ask me.
1.16789 divided by 18.82222.
So,
Yes.
how many numbers are there here after decimal?
4.
But here also, how many are there?
Sir, 5.
So, they are not same. So, here it is 5, here it is 4. Make it 1 0. Now,
Yes,
how many
sir.
are top, how many are bottom now? 5, 5?
Yep, sir.
So now you will say, Skanda, sir, no, they are equal. I'll remove the decimal from here. This over here, my quotient becomes this, and no, I can divide. That's it.
Wow, that's a huge number.
That's fine, but division will be difficult. But the point is how to remove decimal. Correct?
Right.
For example, I want everyone, Chaitanya, 4.5 divided by 2.15. How you remove decimal? Tell me, guys. Anybody?
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, 4.50 in the
Correct.
up.
Because how many numbers are here? 2 after decimal. Here only 1. Chaitanya say, no, sir, I'll let it make it proper because balance should be there. So no 2 numbers after decimal, 2 numbers after decimal. Chaitanya says, sir, no, you go ahead and remove this, remove this. That's it.
250 divided by 250.
450 divided by 250. Tell me one more. Ira, this time you have to tell me. 8 divided by 0.0123. 0.123. How you get rid of decimals and what you'll do now?
We
How many numbers after decimal in the denominator? There is
2,
no decimal here. So you can put how many zeros?
3,
So 8 becomes
8,000.
and denominator becomes
1, 2, 3.
that's it.
No, just you add how many are after the decimal and the 0 goes. Decimal goes.
What you do? Yes. Because we know why? Because 8.8 means 8.0.
Okay.
So if there are 3 numbers here, you put 3 zeros. So now both are same, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now you remove and make it. The rule is number of digits after decimal should be equal. That is the rule. The number of digits after decimal should be equal. Then you can remove. For example, if something is 4 point something and suppose say 2.3. Let's check. Are the number of digits after decimal same in both? Tell me, Divyam, tell me, Skanda, Ira, Chaitanya. Number of digits after decimal is same in the top or bottom or no?
So no.
No.
Sir, we should add 3 more zeros to 2.3.
Correct. Because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. Only one number is there. Sir, I'll bet 3 zeros so they are equal.
Now
No,
it
I can remove both decimal.
23,000 divided by
You are saying ulta. You are saying ulta. You are saying reverse. 41,134 divided by 23,000. That's it.
right.
Cool, everyone. Divyam, understood? If you have to remove decimal, it has to be equal. Tell me how will you remove this one? I never asked anyone this. Tell me how you remove decimal here.
Oh, boy. So we start 2 zeros, sir. 500 gone, sir.
So, what will the answer for this?
Sir, it will be 812 divided by 500.
Very good. Why, Skanda? Because there are 2 numbers after decimal. Here and there nothing. So, sir, I'll add 2 zeros to the 5. That's it. Aina, clear hai? Chaitanya, clear hai?
Sir,
Skanda? Any way.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Decimal division, converting to decimal is all should be like this. Any number. Any more question before we close today? Anybody want to
Sir.
ask me anything? No? Yes, please.
Sir, I have a question.
Ask me.
Sir, 4321 point 30 and then the lower is 1 2 3 4 point 0 1 2 3.
Very good. Tell me, guys. What's the method? We have to remove the decimals. What we'll do, guys?
Sir, we can just put 4321 point.
2
I mean 4321300.
You just tell me how many zeros we are going to add where. That's what you tell me.
One, sir, 10, sir. Then 20, sir.
Okay. Divya, what are you going to do here? How many number after decimal here?
4, so you add 4 zeros.
No. How many number after decimal here?
2.
So both has to be equal. If there are 4 here, here 2 already there, add 2 more zeros. No, they are equal or not? Number of decimals?
Yep.
No? And now you remove the decimal from both. That is the rule. Remove from both and say, sir, Chaitanya, your answer is 4321300 divided by 12340. 123. Good.
Okay, sir.
The rule is what? The number of these after decimal should be equal in top and bottom. That is the main point. Okay. Perfect, guys. See you next week, Saturday, the last class of this whole session. Hope you enjoyed. See you. Don't miss next class and the last class. Okay. On Saturday. Bye bye.